hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Hear me roar. Grr. It's my birthday week, and I'm having a great time. I just won some tickets to see a concert this weekend, and I'm super excited about it. And we're seeing another show on Saturday, on Sunday, having a brunch party on Saturday. Big parties all weekend to celebrate moi. Yay. You don't turn 55 every day. So I'm dragging it out for at least a week. You know how we do. The ladies love to celebrate their birthdays most of the time. Today we're going to do a look with the Mothership 9 palette. And this is a beautiful palette. I've barely ever used it. You can't even tell that it's been used ever before. And I'm going to make a sweet look with that. So let's get started. Let's start at the very beginning. It's a very good place to start. I'm going to start with, I'm not sure, there's so many beautiful colors. I'm going to start with this color in my crease. Look at that. That is pigmented and beautiful. I've got several Pat McGrath palettes. I have some of the holiday palette, a couple of the holiday palettes, you know, the ones in cardboard. And then I have several of the Mothership connections. So let's just do a fun look for karaoke tonight. Because it's a party, a rock and roll party. And Louie is having fun with a box. So hopefully that won't make you as crazy as it makes me, because I cannot make him stop, because he is a cat and he is his own prime directive. So that looks really beautiful as a crease color. I just have to swatch. Look at that. It's beautiful. What in the world did I do with my makeup wipes? I think I know where they are. I have to open a new box, a new bag. Luckily, I keep everything at my fingertips. But, yeah, tonight's going to be big fun at the Old Art Sanctuary tonight. It really is easier when I'm not trying to do this on camera. Excelente. Enough with the rattling. I can't wait for you to operate. I don't know what I'm singing tonight. I usually sing Sex and Candy. Do you remember that old chestnut? I'm definitely going to be using this color, but I'm going to go in with a more neutral color, this kind of beautiful fawn brown. Look at that. Just add it to my crease and a little on the outside corner to give some depth. Ooh, it's looking sexy. My shirt says, tattoos are stupid. Art and Soul Tattoo Parlor, Louisville, Kentucky. That's my friend's tattoo parlor. Oh, I got a new tattoo. It is right here. The butterfly and the vines with flowers. And I'm loving it so very much. So I'm thinking I need to go in with my fingertips to this iridescent color here, this purple. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That is beautiful. So I will do it again on the other side. It's not showing up exactly like I would like it to. I'm going to go into this icy shade. Going on the inner corner. And that's kind of a topper shade. I'm just going to blend that in to that purple. So I can get achieve a stunning look. Pat McGrath's colors are just phenomenal. And that looks really cute. And I'm going to put some black eyeliner on because that's what I do. From Stila. Stay all day. Ooh, excuse me, that was a little coffee burp. I prime myself with coffee because I'm going to be up late singing. And I love putting on this liquid eyeliner so much. It really pulls the eye look together. I feel so cute tonight. My hair is behaving. The makeup's working out. It's my birthday week. What can go wrong? Don't answer that because I'm not tempting fate. I'm not waiting for shoes to drop. None of that business. And I just bought a new one of this It Superhero mascara. It is phenomenal. I love it so much. It gives length and volume. Everything that you want from a mascara. Now we got a little bit on my brow bone. Super cute. I'm going to clean up that whiff. That is dynamic. I'm loving it. So what kind of lip should I do? I think I'm going to do a deep lip. Should I do red? Should I do red? It's a pretty neutral eye look. Really goes with my hair. I'm so thoughtful about this. We have a beautiful red. Let's just do a test. Yes. Perfect. Perfecto. So we've got a beautiful look with Pat McGrath Mothership 9. I'm loving it. This is just a get ready with me video. It's not a get rid of it because it would take a lot to pry this from my cold dead hands. But I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Don't forget to enter the contest from the Monday video. And I love you. I said it. I mean it. Have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye.